scroll collage for Instagram. So this is a new trending app. It's pretty cool. Like you can see, it's getting a lot of ratings recently. So here is Photo Collage Maker. It's in top charts of photo and video category. Here, it's very great app. And then, you know, this is a great app for Instagram. It has a lot of templates to create some nice carousels and yeah, a lot of free stock photos and things like that. So super cool app if you like Instagram. So let's just try it out. So here you can just see it like that, and then you can just proceed with this app. There is a long onboarding, but yes, there is weekly $5, a yearly $40 per year, and then you can just see some templates. Like there are stories, there are seamless, there are collage, instant. There are some nice templates here which you can see. There are some popular ones. For example, here is this popular template. Portrait, 3 photos on 3 slides. And then, for example, if you just try to use it, all right, then you just add in the image or video. So for example, you just wanna add some video, and then basically that's how, for example, you can just select preview, and then you can see whatever. This is just like an example, and then you will see some nice, really cool like template, which then you can save, and then it's saved to your camera roll, and then you can just open it in Instagram or open in TikTok. So you just open it up and then just share it to Instagram. So basically here, then you will have this kind of saved, and then you will have this nice collage which you can just basically yeah, upload as 3 different photos, and then it basically would be yeah, shared to Instagram. So that's basically the idea here, and then you can just go and yeah, kind of use the app here, and then there's 7-day free trial. Then there are tools, there are filters, there are templates, there are drawing tools, there is cutout, edit photo, blank project, then there are saved photos which you can discover, then there is more, then there are some tutorials. Yeah, so that's what it is here. That's how the app looks like. It's pretty cool app. It's quite, you know, yeah, great profiles here. So yeah, give it a try, and that's what it is.